So hi everyone, here we are again with our HR training course. So in this video we will talk about performance management. How would you manage your employees' performance? So this is also the biggest challenge for any HR to manage your employees' performance. So you have to learn about this. So without wasting time, let's get started on today's video. So first of all, we have to learn what is performance management. Performance management involves systematically planning, monitoring and improving employees' performance to achieve organizational goals. So in performance management, firstly we have to evaluate employees' performance. Then if they are facing any issues, if they have any concerns, if they are not working properly, then we have to address these issues, like why are they not performing well. Try to find reason and solve these problems. It will be helpful for managing the performance. So here are some key components of performance management. First one is goal setting. Set clear, achievable and measurable objectives aligned with organizational goals. So firstly you have to set your goals, and they should be clear, achievable and measurable, and they should be aligned with organizational goals. So let's move to our next point, which is regular feedback. Provide continuous constructive feedback on performance, not just during formal reviews. So you have to provide them continuous constructive feedback based on their performance, not just during formal reviews. So let's move to our next point, which is performance reviews. Conduct periodic performance evaluations to assess progress, strengths and areas of improvement. So you have to conduct periodic performance evaluation. You have to evaluate your employees' performance on the basis of period. You have to evaluate their progresses, their strengths, and if there are any issues, then you have to resolve them and try to improve their performance. So let's move to our next point, which is development plans. Create and implement personalized development plans to address performance gaps and support career growth. So you have to create and implement personalized development plans to address their performance gaps. If they have any gaps in performance, then you have to support in their career growth. So let's move to our next point, which is recognition and rewards. Recognize and reward employees for meeting or exceeding performance expectation. So if your employees performance literally better than your expectation, then you have to recognize this, and you also have to give them some reward for meeting or exceeding performance expectation. So let's move to our next point, which is addressing issues. Identify and address performance issues promptly with appropriate interventions or support. So you have to identify the areas of performance issues, like what are the areas in which your employees are facing more issues, they are not performing well because of some issues, and after identifying you have to resolve the issue, and you have to support them. So let's move to our next point, which is training and support. Provide necessary training and resources to help employees meet performance expectations. So you also have to provide necessary training to them and all the resources that are really helpful for their role, so that employees can meet their performance expectations. So let's move to our next point, which is employee involvement. Engage employees in setting goals and discussing performance to ensure alignment and commitment. So if you are setting any goals, then you have to engage your employees with your goal setting process, and also you have to discuss about their performance to ensure their alignment and commitment. Are they committed for their role or not? Would they able to achieve their goal or not? By effectively managing performance, organization can enhance employee productivity, satisfaction and overall success. So if you are implementing these strategies, and if you are able to manage effectively their performance, then your organization can enhance employee productivity. And if you are able to enhance your employee productivity, then you will get effectiveness and efficiency in your work, and you will achieve overall success. So in this video I have just told you about performance management. In our next video we will talk about handling grievances, and this is also the most important topic. So make sure you connect with us so that you are not able to miss any update from us. And still, if you have any queries, any questions, then you can reach out to our phone number. Also you can check out to our website, and if you want to do any message to us, then you can go for our email ID. For now, thank you for listening.